I'm going to show you how to make quadruple chocolate chip cookies. So what I mean by that is chocolate cookie with 3 different types of chocolate chips inside. First, preheat the oven to 375 degrees. So in a small bowl, add in the flour, baking soda, and salt, and whisk them together to combine them well and to get rid of any lumps. Set the dry ingredients aside, then in a larger bowl, add in the butter and microwave it until it's only slightly melted. Don't melt it completely. Then add in the brown sugar and the regular granulated sugar, and use an electric mixer to beat them for about a minute on medium-high speed. Then add in the eggs and the vanilla extract and beat them on high speed for another minute. Then add in the melted and cooled unsweetened and semi-sweet chocolate and beat them well. Then add in the dry ingredients, and then add in the semi-sweet chocolate chips, milk chocolate chips, and white chocolate chips. Mix them by hands just until combined. Then scoop the cookie dough out onto trays, spacing them out at least 2 inches because they will spread out in the oven. And bake them in the oven for about 8 to 10 minutes. Let them cool in the pan for about 5 minutes, and transfer to a cooling rack to cool completely. And that's how to make quadruple chocolate chip cookies. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.